Bonjour, bonsoir Mohamed. Voici le résumé du cours d'aujourd'hui. Alors ça, c'est grammaire progressive du français. C'est le niveau intermédiaire. On avait vu le passé composé, le chapitre 40, avec avoir. Ok? Et ça, c'est le participe passé. Donc les verbes en ER deviennent et. J'ai mangé, j'ai regardé. On a vu quelques expressions de temps hier, yesterday, la semaine dernière, last week, le mois dernier, last month, l'année dernière, last year. Ok. Donc ici, on a les participes passés. Sorry about this dog barking. It's 10 p.m. and I think he's gonna bark all night. I hope not, but I think so. J'ai dîné, j'ai mis un disque, j'ai bu un verre. Okay? So, how can we summarize everything? I don't want to learn everything. Well, I know the ER verbs, they are all like that. Et, manger, regarder. We have the majority of the verbs here, they end in U. J'ai lu, j'ai vu, j'ai bu. I read, I saw, I drank. Lire, voir, boire. To read, to see, to drink. Entendre, to hear. J'ai entendu un bruit. I heard a noise. J'ai attendu pendant 5 heures. I've waited for 5 hours. Répondre, to answer. J'ai répondu à ta lettre. I answered you later. Perdre, to lose. J'ai perdu mes clés. I lost my keys. Vouloir, to want. J'ai voulu partir. I wanted to leave. Devoir, must. J'ai dû partir plus tôt. I had to leave earlier. Okay? I'm intentionally not writing anything. I want you to focus on the listening part. You'll see that on the transcript after. Pouvoir, can. J'ai pu manger dans un restaurant. I could eat in a restaurant. Savoir, to know. J'ai su parler anglais. It's like I knew how to speak English. Croire, to believe. J'ai cru que c'était dimanche. I believed it was Sunday. Wow, we can give another example. J'ai cru qu'il était là. I believe he was here. Falloir. Falloir, we cannot conjugate this verb with all the different subject pronouns. We just use il. Okay? Il a fallu. Like it was necessary to do something. Okay? Let's just stop here, because I don't believe this kind of a long list of vocabulary can be useful. So let's just stop here, okay? Everything ends with U. We're gonna make some new sentences the last time. I'm gonna reinforce the memorization to make sure everything is done. This chapter is big, hein? And the next book was a vocabulary, not the conjugaison. This one. So, passé composé is a bit weird here. I'm trying to make sure you know you learn efficiently. So what I want to do is verbe en ER, premier groupe. Okay? The third group is a mess. Second group is easy. First and second are fine. After the third group is a mess. But anyway, so verbe du premier groupe en ER, la page 16. Allez, c'est parti, page 16. Les verbes en ER dits du premier groupe. Alors, nous avons les terminaisons, the endings, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So what I do is I use a verb, I drop the ending ER, and I'm ending up with a radical, okay? And I'm gonna add the following endings. So je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. We have what we call a reflective verb, se dépêcher, to hurry. So we have this kind of pronoun, it's a reflective pronoun. That means we need to change it according to the subject. So, je me dépêche, I hurry. Tu te dépêches, il se dépêche, elle se dépêche. nous nous dépêchons, vous vous dépêchez, il se dépêche, elle se dépêche. So, as a reminder, je is I. Tu, you, casual. Il, he, elle, she, nous, we. Vous can be you guys, a group of people I'm talking to. And it can be you formal, okay? And il, they, masculine. Elle, they, feminine. There's an additional one is on. On is like informal we. So we did this one. Tu rentres tard. So we're going to have es. Ils habitent à Tokyo, ent. Je n'aime pas la ville, n apostrophe, i. Vous dînez avec nous, easy. Elle se lave les cheveux, i. On passe, i, nos vacances ici, spend our vacation here. Elle pleure souvent, ent, they cry often. Nous aidons les petits, ons, we help the children basically. Il s'occupe, du repas, he takes care of the meal. Il regarde, ent, la télévision, they watch TV. So they come back late, you come back late, they live in Tokyo, I don't like the city, you dine or you have dinner with us, she washes her hair, so there is a possessive here, her in English but not in French. We spend our vacation here, they cry often, we help the children, he takes care of the meal, they watch TV, okay? So try to do the exercises here. Try. It's not a matter of understanding, it's a matter of checking the subject. Okay, we're talking about he basically, and we know what to do here. So, aimer is to like, to love. Fumer, to smoke. Participer, to participate. Se coucher, to go to sleep. S'entraîner is to train, to work out, it depends. Pratiquer, to practice. S'intéresser, to be interested in. Consommer, consume. Adorer, to adore. Okay? And here, aimer, se réveiller, arriver. So you need to conjugate at least two verbs here. You need to choose two habits. So I can say le lundi, je me réveille tôt et j'arrive tôt, whatever. Le samedi, je danse ou je m'amuse. Le dimanche, je dessine, je dîne avec mes amis. Okay? So you can say whatever, basically, but you have to respect the endings according to the subject. Okay? And here you just have to conjugate. Rêver, to dream. Donner, to give. Respirer, to breathe. Contempler, to contemplate. Mêler, les fleurs, it's like to mix, to blend. Se reposer, to rest. Okay? You try your best. You just conjugate. That's it. Now we have this. Well, they can say whatever they want. They can say it's I are, you are, you er, whatever. But it's gonna always be the same ending. We just drop the er part, that's it, and we add e, es, e, 1s, ez, ent. The only thing I'm asking you is to build up your vocabulary. That means you need to know those verbs. Oublier, to forget. Continuer, to continue. Jouer, to play. Créer, to create. Gagner, to win. Travailler, or to earn. Travailler, to work. Now, we have these weird verbs. They are still regular, but they have this kind of small changes when we conjugate them in the present tense. So, the verbs ending in CER, we're going to add a CCD with nous. Je commence, tu commences, il commence, nous commençons, vous commencez, il commence. I begin, I start. Okay? Commençons. Be careful. So any kind of CER verb, basically, we can do that. Verbs ending in the GER. Manger. The only thing we're going to change is keeping the E with nous to get the jon sound. So we have je mange, tu manges, il mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange. So far, CER, we add CCD with nous. GER, we keep the E with nous to get the jon sound. Payer. Payer, we can have two forms. Either we keep the Y all the way, or we replace the Y with a I. And we keep the Y with nous and vous. If I were you, I would just use this one. Je paie, tu paies, il paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye. Okay. So it's going to be the same for employer, to employ, envoyer, to send, se noyer, to drown, nettoyer, to clean. Just keep the I, and Y, I. Okay? So anyway, now we have appeler. The verbs ending in L-E-R, I'm sure there are exceptions. We're going to double the L. So j'appelle, I call, j'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle. Nous appelons, one L. Vous appelez, one L. Ils appellent, elles appellent. Be careful of the liaison here. Nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, elles appellent. Jeter, T-E-R, we double the consonant. Je jette, tu jettes, il jette. Nous jetons, one T. Vous jetez, one T. Il jette, double T. Okay? The same as rejeter, to reject. Projeter, to project. Feuilleter is like, when you read a book, you check the pages, But I would say, just be careful. Just make simple formulas here. Keep in mind, French has always a lot of exceptions. So, employer, Y-E-R, we talked about that. We can just keep the I. S'ennuyer, again, Y-E-R, we keep the I, Y, I. Okay? So here we have s'ennuyer is to get bored, to be bored. Essuyer is to clean, or to dust, to boss. Appuyer, so it can be to press down something, type down, appuyer. Okay? So anyway, ideally, you could do that, but let's do it together, okay? Want to make sure so we can learn together. So we still have a lot of ion verbs, but those guys, they are nothing. They are really nothing. It's just sometimes you just add an accent. Okay, achète, promener, promène, se lever, se lève, pèse, semer, sème, congeler, congèle, espérer, to hope, espère. So we can just make a group and be like, well, what do they say? Some verbs will need to add an accent. And also the pronunciation can be a bit different. But one thing at a time, okay? Let's stop here. Let me check here the transcript. Oh no, it is not working. I need to view a little bit better. Zoom in and zoom in. There we go. So that's what I was talking about. I summarized everything because the goal here is to summarize everything we did. So if you cannot summarize, you cannot learn. So that's as simple as that. But anyway, I'll see you on Friday. Let me know about your course with Amelia. Let me remind her to do some passé composé, a dialogue, and the present form with a dialogue. Okay? The more you speak, the more you read, the better. Passe une très bonne soirée, une très bonne nuit, et on se voit donc vendredi. Merci pour ta patience, Mohamed. À très bientôt.